A very good morning to all my dear students. Today I am here with chapter 13, exercise 13.7. This chapter 13 is completely formula based chapter. First you have to learn the formulas and after that try to solve the questions of this chapter itself. In exercise 13.7 we will study about volume of a cone. Volume of a cone equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. R is used for radius, h is used for height. So volume of cone equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. This is the height of cone, radius r, and this is the L, cell height of cone. In finding the volume, we have to use radius and height 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now we are going towards questions. Question number first of exercise 13.7 is that find the volume of right circular cone with radius 6 cm and height 7 cm. Question number first is that radius of a cone equals to 6 centimeter and its height equals to 7 centimeter. Find the volume of this cone. Volume of cone equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. First write formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h. R is used for radius and s for height. Now put this value of r and h. 1 upon 3 pi r square means 6 into 6. Square of r. 6 into 6. R is 6. Then multiply by 7. Height is 7. 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 7 is cancelled by 7. 3 1 3. 3 2 6. 6 into 2 12. 12 into 22 is equal to 264 centimeter cube. So volume of this cone equals to 264 centimeter cube. Now take second part of question first. Radius is 3.5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. Radius and height is given. You have to find the volume of a cone. Radius is 3.5 centimeter and height is 12 centimeter. Then volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 upon 3 pi is 22 by 7 r square 3.5. Decimal is removed by 10. Square means 2 times multiply. H is 12. 3 1 3 3 4 12. 5 7 35. 5 2 10. 5 7 35. 5 2 10. 7 is cancelled by 7. 2 into 2 4. 4 is cancelled by this 4. 22 into 7. 22 into 7 is equal to 154 centimeter cube. So the volume of cone having radius 3.5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter, then volume equals to 154 centimeter cube. Question number first is complete. Now take question number second. Question number second is that find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with radius 7 centimeter and salant height 25 centimeter. Question number second, part first. Radius is given. Radius of conical vessel equals to 7 centimeter, and that salant height is given. Salant height denoted by L is equal to 25 centimeter. You have to find out the capacity. Capacity, you can say that volume. Find the volume. Volume equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. R is used for radius and h is used for height. Here radius is given 7 centimeter, but height is not given. Salant height L is given. With the help of this L and R, first we have to calculate the value of h. H equals to square of L minus square of R lies in root. L is 25, square of 25 minus R is 7, square of 7. Square of 25 is 625 minus square of 7 is 49. 15 minus 9, 6. 11 minus 4, 7. Here 5. 576. Square root of 576 is 24. So H height equals to 24 centimeter. Now find volume. Volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square means square of 7. 7 into 7 into h. Here h is 24. First find h, then find its volume. 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 3 1 3 3 8 24. 7 is cancelled by 7. 22 into 7 154. 154 into 8 equals to 1232 centimeter cube. So capacity of this conical vessel is 1232 centimeter cube. But find the capacity of this conical vessel in liters. So convert this centimeter cube into liter divided by 1000, then 1.232 liters. So capacity of this conical vessel in liters will be 1.232 liters. First part of question number 2 is complete. Second part is that in second part, height is given 12 centimeter and salant height is given 13 centimeter. Salant height is given 13 centimeter and height is given. Equals to 12 centimeter. Find the capacity in liters. Volume 1 upon 3 pi r square h. H is given 12 centimeter, but R is not given. First find R with the help of H and L. Then R will be square of L minus square of H. L is 13, square of 13 minus H is 12, square of 12 lies in root. Square of 13 is 169 minus square of 12 is 144 equals to 25. 169 minus 144 equals to 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So R is equal to 5 centimeter. Now find volume. 1 upon 3 pi is 22 by 7. R square. R is 5. Square of 5 is 5 into 5. H is 12. 3 1 3, 3 4, 12. 5 5, 25. 25 into 4, 100. 100 into 22. 2200 upon 7. This will be equals to 314.28 centimeter cube. 314.28 centimeter cube. But find the capacity in liters. Convert this centimeter cube into liters divided by 1000. This will be equals to 0.31428 liter. If we divided this term by 1000, then decimal replace from here and comes in front of 3. 0.31428 liters. Question number second is complete. First, may I erase this question? Second. Question number third is that the height of a cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of base. Use pi 3.14. Question number third. Volume is given. Volume of a cone is equal to 1570 centimeter cube. Height is also given 15 centimeter. Height is equal to 15 centimeter. Find the radius of its base. Radius R. Volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume is given 1570 is equal to 1 upon 3 pi. Use pi 3.14. 1 upon 3 pi r square. We have to find out the value of r. So write r as it is. R square into h. H is given 15 centimeter. 313, 35, 15. Decimal is removed by 100. 515, 5 to 10, 0. Then R will be 1570. 20. 20 goes in multiply. 314 comes in divide. If we divide 1570 by 314, then 5 comes. 5 into 20, 100. R square equals to 100. 20 into 5, 100. Taking square root on both sides. Square root is cancelled by square, and square root of 100 equals to 10. So our radius equals to 10 centimeter. Radius of this cone equals to 10 centimeter. Question number third is complete. Now we take question number 4. First, may I erase this question number third. Question number 4 is that if the volume of right circular cone, volume of right circular cone equals to 48 pi centimeter cube, height equals to 9 centimeter. Height equals to 9 centimeter. Find diameter of its base. First find its radius. With the help of radius find diameter. Volume is given 48 pi centimeter cube. Volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume is given 48 pi. Write pi as it is. 1 upon 3 pi r square. We have to find the value of r. So write r as it is. Into h. H is given 9. Pi is cancelled by pi. 3 1 3 3 3 9. R square equals to 48 upon 3. 48 is cancelled by 3. 16. R square equals to 16. Taking square root on both sides. Square is cancelled by square root. Then square root of 16 is 4. So R equals to 4 centimeter. If R equals to 4 centimeter, then diameter is double of radius. So diameter equals to 2 into R. 2 into 4 equals to 8 centimeter. Radius is 4 centimeter and diameter is 8 centimeter. Question number 4 is complete. First, may I erase this?